I still remember the first time I tried managing my dropshipping store manually, copying product details, updating prices, and processing orders one by one. After a while, it felt less like running a business and more like being trapped in a never-ending spreadsheet. That's when I stumbled across AutoDS, and honestly, it felt like someone handed me the keys to automation. AutoDS is an all-in-one dropshipping platform designed to cut out the repetitive grind and let you focus on scaling. From product importing to automated order fulfillment, price monitoring, and even customer messaging, it promises to do the heavy lifting for online sellers across eBay, Shopify, Wix, Amazon, and Facebook Marketplace. The platform positions itself not just as a tool, but as a complete management system for anyone serious about e-commerce. Imagine this scenario: you're trying to expand your product catalog with trending items, but sourcing and updating listings eats hours every day. With AutoDS, you can pull products from suppliers like Amazon, Walmart, AliExpress, and Shein, complete with images, descriptions, and price rules that adjust automatically. The automation doesn't stop there. Once an order comes in, AutoDS can place it with the supplier, update the tracking number, and even send customer updates, all without you touching a thing. One of AutoDS's biggest strengths is how customizable it is. You can set profit margins, shipping rules, and even have the system run automatic price and stock checks multiple times a day. The integrated product research tool also gives you data on best sellers, so you're not guessing what to sell. On top of that, AutoDS offers a mobile app so you can manage your business on the go, which is a big win for busy sellers. But like any platform, it isn't perfect. Its pricing can add up quickly if you're running multiple stores or need higher listing limits, and the learning curve can feel steep for newcomers who expect instant results. Some users also note that support can be slow during peak times, which can be frustrating when you need urgent help. If you're serious about scaling your dropshipping business, AutoDS is worth considering. It's built for sellers who want to stop juggling manual tasks and actually grow their stores with automation. Start with one store and test the automation features. You'll quickly see where it can save time and reduce errors. From there, you can expand into more advanced tools like automated customer messaging and in-depth analytics. At the end of the day, AutoDS turns dropshipping from a constant grind into a business you can manage strategically instead of reactively. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews of e-commerce tools, and I'll see you in the next one.